The liquid gold sitting in your kitchen pantry right now might be a complete lie. It is a harsh reality to face, but the olive oil industry is famously crooked and filled with clever shadows. I recently stumbled across a site called Orodeals that really made my internal alarm bells ring loud and clear. They are marketing a premium brand called Orodeal. On the surface, it sounds like a dream for any serious home cook. This oil supposedly comes straight from the hills of Granada in Spain. That region is legendary. It is known for producing some of the most complex and flavorful fats on the planet. We are talking about an early harvest liquid. This means the olives are picked while they are still green and vibrant. That process retains all those spicy and grassy notes that people love. The marketing even name drops specific olive varieties like Picudo and Hoja Blanca. If you know your oils, you know those are top tier varieties. These olives provide a very specific flavor profile that high-end chefs crave. The site claims to have all the proper certifications. The visual presentation is incredibly slick. It looks like the kind of product that would win gold medals at an international competition in New York or Italy. However, the deeper I looked, the more that polish started to feel like a very thin veneer. The biggest red flag for me is the total lack of social proof. We live in an era where everyone has an opinion on every single thing they buy. If a product is truly this high quality, you would expect to see a long trail of happy foodies talking about it. Instead, I found a digital ghost town. There were no solid independent reviews to be found across the major platforms. This is a massive problem when you are dealing with luxury food items in a digital space. The olive oil world is notorious for low-quality blends being passed off as the real thing. Sometimes it is even worse than a simple blend. You might get a bottle of old oil that has gone completely rancid, or you might be looking at a website that exists just to harvest your personal data. This is why the old rule of thumb is so vital. If a deal looks too smooth, it probably is. You have to ask yourself why a premium Spanish oil would be discounted so heavily on a random corner of the internet. High-end production involves intense manual labor. Shipping heavy glass bottles around the globe is a massive expense. When the math does not add up, the consumer is usually the one who loses. I love a good bargain, but food safety and authenticity have to come first. You should always double-check the source before you pull out your credit card. Look for specific harvest dates on the bottle. Search for seals of authenticity that you can verify through a third party. If the internet is silent about a supposedly world-class brand, then that is your cue to walk away. Do not let a fancy label and a sleek website design cloud your common sense. Your kitchen deserves the real thing. Your wallet deserves protection from these sketchy digital storefronts. Staying skeptical is the only way to navigate the modern marketplace without getting burned by a fake deal.